Where did she go? Do you see her? I don't see a thing. Maybe she's in the living room. I don't see a thing in here. Noah, have you seen her? She's not in the dining room either. Who? I think I see something. Maybe. I think there might be something in here. But I don't know what it is. Ellie. You're like a mommy can't save you. Mommy can't save you. Mommy can't save you. She can't save you. Mommy can't save you. Mommy can't save you. Mommy taking a timeout. Mommy can't save you. No, I can get you off. No. Yeah, you take her.
Mom, what's
I got you. Now I can do all I want. I can get you. I can throw you over there. Oh no! Oh no! It's the little helper buddy. Here he comes. Come on, Flash.
What? Flash.
No, it's Flash. You're Flash, little buddy.